Hi besties, join me. Let's cook Agbono soup my way. So first off, I need you guys to tell me what you call that fruit. That fruit where they bring Agbono from. Waiting at the column for a local language. If you ever get to see this video, I beg, help me write for comment section. Waiting on a they call that fruit where they bring Agbono from. Waiting at the column for a local dialect. For my local dialect, with the column Ugiri. I'm from the eastern part of Nigeria, so we'll call it Ugiri. Oil or make with season and meat. You can see I don't put pepper, I don't put seasoning, which is not or no, I don't put salt. So here I am trying to season my fish. Now like this I dey cook my own abono. We all have the ways where would they cook our abono. So this is one of the ways I cook my abono. Okay, I either fry the fish or I do it the other way around. So you can see that when I put the meat on fire, I no put on water. Now I can't put on water. See me, I don't dey fry my fish. Okay, and here I am trying to slice the veggies, the Utazi and the Uziza. Okay, the meat don't cook well. Now I can't put the fish when I fry. All right, so now the thing we'll go use cook soup be this. Everything done ready. Oh yeah, make we go cook the soup. Now you go add your oil for your pots to your moderation. Oh, I know you too like oil for my soup, so you add your oil, you add your onions. Some people know they add onions, so you just do it the way you wanna. Then you add your abono. You add your abono and you stir it. You stir and stir and make sure it's well mixed, okay, with the oil. Yes, you stir it very well. This is one of the ways I cook my abono. I either fry it this way or I just mix it with oil, okay, and then I put am inside my stock as my meat they cook. So if you don't stir them, you go come add your stock small. When you add am small, you go come stir am, make sure say as you dey stir am, make sure say you don dey draw. When you see say you don dey draw, you go come add more water. You heard what I said more water. You see say you don dey draw. Okay, as you can see, our ogbono done dey boil very well. So I can add our protein. Then I added crayfish. Okay, then you stir it gradually. Yes, you stir it gradually. Some ogbono dey draw, some no dey draw. Na here I come test am. Yes, omarama is very tasty. See, guys, I don't know if you guys do like I do. Okay, here I'm trying to put the Uziza. I usually put the Uziza first and the Utazi. If I don't put am like this, if I don't put them, I know they stir them at once. I will just give them like 10 seconds, then I go stir them, then I carry them down. So guys, there is this thing that I usually do. If you watch very well, if I dey cook, I know they put maggi when I don't dey cook the main dish. The seasoning what I dey put now when I dey cook my protein. If I don't put seasoning, then I know the season salt. If I don't put them for my protein, I know the feel put for the main dish when I dey cook am. Okay, I make sure the one I put is enough. If it is one I'm using, that one should be enough for whatever I'm cooking. If it is two, that two should be enough for whatever I am cooking. All right, so I don't put Utazi last. I go just give them like few sec. I give them like 10 seconds. Now I can stir and carry them down immediately. I know they like me to stay fire. Okay, our Agbono soup is ready. Our Agbono soup is ready. This is one of the ways I prepare my Agbono. Tell me how you dey prepare your own. Guys, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, love you all. Bye.